Continue a revision of the algorithm method, but today we're going to be using 4 by 3 digits. So for our last 2 lessons we looked at 1 digit, which was the ones, we looked at the tens, and today we're going to be looking at hundreds. So I'm going to just show you how to work out these following algorithm sums, and then we're going to give sum a try. So first of all, we're going to start here. We're going to start here at the ones, okay? So we always start here, okay? So it's an easy one as we are multiplying by 1. So 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 4 is 4. So easy. No regrouping there. And if you remember, when we move on to tens, we add a 0 here. So 2 times 6 is 12. So remember, we leave here the 2 and we carry over the 1. 2 times 2 is 4 and we add the 1 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So we leave over here and we carry the 1 up here. We've already used that, so we cross that out. And 2 times 4 is 8 and 1 is 9. Perfect. Now, the difference today is we're going to be moving on to hundreds. So for hundreds, exactly like we've done here, we're going to add a 0, but we're going to add 2 zeros because it's hundreds. And we're going to move on to the 3 now. 3 sixes is 12, so we leave the 2 here. And we make sure we cross that out, we put the 1 up here. 3 twos are 6 and 1 is 7. 3 fives is 15. So you bring the 5 down here and we carry the 1 up here. And 3 fours are 12 and 1 is 13. Now you're probably wondering what all these are up here. They are blank, they are zeros. So that's all. And then remember, we add them all together. So 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 2 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So remember, we carry over, so 2 and carry over 1. So 7 plus 1 plus 4 is 12. Carry over the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 5 is 15. Carry over the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then we just have 1 by itself. So your answer is going to be this number down here. Okay, so let's try another example. So remember, we always start here at the ones. Okay. 5 there. So we always start here with the ones. Okay, so 2 plus 2 times 2 is 4. Easy, we all know our 2 times tables. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 6 is 12. So that was an easy one, no carrying over. And you're going to put the 0 here for tens. Now, 5 times tables, super easy. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry over the 1 over here. 4 times 5 is 20 and 1 is 21. So we cross that out. We've already used that, the 2 here. 5 times 3 is 15 and 2 is 17. Use that one and then the 1 over here. And 5 times 6 is 30 and the 1 is 31. Perfect. Easy. 2 times, 5 times tables, very easy. Now, remember, for our hundreds, we add on 2 zeros. So last round of times tables. So 2 times 5 is 10. So 0 again. Carry the 1 up here. 4 times 5 is 20 and 1 is 21. So there we go. 3 times 5 is 15 and 2 is 17. 5 times 6 is 30 and 1 is 31. You see a pattern there, you have the same answers for that one. And then what do? We add them all together. Now your bookwork's going to be a lot more tidier than this. Right, easy part, addition. 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 1 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 7 is 9 and 1 is 10. So we have the 0 and then we carry over. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1 is 10. Carry over the 1 again. 3 plus 1 is 5. And then we have 3 at the end. So that is how we multiply using hundreds, tens and ones. And now you're going to give it a try with the examples on the slideshow.